Hello, today I wanted to talk about handwriting and different kinds of paper. I don't have the dot grid here. I have used it in the past and absolutely love it, but I do have a sample of lined paper, graph paper, and just plain paper. But everybody has seen plain, graph, and lined. I'm not worried about the paper quality. Right now, I do want to do a video later on discussing paper quality, what makes a prettier handwriting. I want to do a test to try out my same handwriting, but on different, on line grid, graph grid, and plain. So let's test this out and see what you think the better handwriting comes from. I've been wanting to test this, and so I'm just going to do it on camera. So let's begin. First, I'll try the lined paper. So that's my handwriting. I do change my cues up every now and then. You'll see that probably on the next one. But here's the lined, and here is the graph. So on the graph, I want to try two different ways. I'm going to try actually using the graph for letter spacing, but I want to write regular and not worry about this spacing as well. So I'll do two different tests. Okay, now let's try using the spaces. This is more challenging because I'm not used to writing so far apart. Okay, so now let's try the plain paper. And this is, plain paper gives me a challenge because sometimes I'll go, my writing will go this way or this way. So I will try to keep it straight, although this is kind of torn, but I will try to do the best up here. There we go. It'll give me more of a guide. Okay, now let's do some numbers. Okay, let's do some numbers on this. Okay, for numbers, I do like the spacing on the graph because that's how I normally space them. Okay, so there you have it. Let me know in the comments. This is all the same handwriting except for the cues. I'm really weird. I keep changing my cues. But let me know which one you like out of all of these. There is one other way I do enjoy writing, and I do this to take notes. To conserve paper, I will double, here that's kind of hard to see, I will double the spacing a lot, or double the spacing in the line. And am I even making sense? So I will have 2 rows in the same line. I do like how that comes out. To me, it comes out neater, but that's just me. So let me know what you think. Here, I'll do a quick sample here. Oh, where's the line? This is what I usually write on. So let's do a sample here real quick. Okay, so as you can see, it's really, you can see me trailing down like I'm tempted to do on this, but it gives me more of something to stay in the lines with, if that makes sense. Hope I'm making sense. It gives me more of a path to make sure I'm keeping straight. So like here, I'm starting to go down a little bit, but if I keep going, you'll see that that evens out. 5, 6, 7. See, and then that automatically evens it out. So that is the little experiment I wanted to test with you guys. And again, let me know in the comments what you like. Do you like it very, very spaced? Do you like it a little bit closer together? Which one's easier for you to read? Which one's more pleasant to the eye? I'm very curious. Do you like it on the plain paper? Is it because it's the blue on the brown? I don't know. Or do you like it on the plain lined paper? So let me know in the comments. I'm really curious about this experiment.